Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to automate blog posts with AI. Automating blog posts with AI can make it easier to create an account. First, choose an AI tool that can help generate blog post ideas and draft articles. ChatGPT and Gemini can be good choices for it. Make sure the tool can work with WordPress, then decide what topics you want to cover on your blog. This will help guide the AI in creating relevant content. Plan when you want to publish new posts and how often. With the AI tool, you can create drafts of blog posts based on the topics you have chosen. After the AI generates the content, review it carefully. Make any necessary changes to improve the clarity and quality of the writing. It is important to edit the content to fit your blog style and tone. Also, consider adding keywords to help your posts rank better in search engines. Once you are happy with the content, schedule it to be published on your WordPress site. Keep an eye on how your posts perform and make adjustments as needed. Remember to always prioritize providing value to your audience. By using AI to automate WordPress blog posts, you can save time and focus on creating great content. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.